High school is a time of significant decisions. Students face pressure to excel academically. One way to stand out is by taking advanced placement, or AP exams. These exams demonstrate mastery of college-level material. Strong AP exam scores impress college admissions officers. They show you can handle rigorous coursework. Preparing for these exams, however, can be challenging. That's where Educatus comes in, offering expert coaching to help you succeed. Educatus understands the importance of AP exams. We provide comprehensive test preparation services. Our goal is to empower students to achieve their academic potential. We offer a wide range of resources and support. Our experienced educators guide students through the entire process. Educatus covers a wide range of AP subjects. We offer courses in Calculus AB, Calculus BC, Biology, Chemistry, Physics, and more. Our curriculum is aligned with the latest College Board guidelines. We ensure students are well prepared for their exams. Our instructors are experts in their fields. At Educatus, we believe in interactive learning. Our classes are engaging and collaborative. Students participate in discussions and problem-solving activities. We also provide personalized feedback. Our instructors work closely with students to identify their strengths and weaknesses. This tailored approach helps students focus on areas where they need the most improvement. Educatus has a proven track record of success. Our students consistently achieve high scores on their AP exams. Many of our students have been accepted into top universities. They credit their success to the skills and knowledge gained through Educatus. These students serve as an inspiration to others. In the competitive world of college admissions, AP exams matter. Strong scores demonstrate your academic abilities. They set you apart from other applicants. Educatus provides the tools and support you need to excel. Our expert coaching, personalized feedback, and proven strategies will help you achieve your AP exam goals. Contact Educatus today to start your journey toward college success.